Peace, family. In this video, what I want to do is I want to show you how to set up Oanda. Oanda is a broker that allows you to do live trading and demo trading. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and set it up. It's a really straightforward process. There are a couple countries that they don't do business with. So when you set this up, you're gonna see it's going to provide a list of countries. And if your country is not on that list, then you want to skip this video and you want to reach out and figure out. We'll help you figure out what broker will work for your country. But it does work in most countries, so you should be good to go, but reach out if not, okay? Now, what you're gonna learn is that your Oanda account, once you set this up, it also can be connected to your TradingView account. So you still can trade directly from TradingView in the same way that you set up a paper trading account, you can connect your Oanda account and do your trades that way as well. So it's really cool that these two systems are integrated with each other. Let's go ahead and check it out. So let's go ahead and start setting up Oanda. You have to go to Oanda.com. And I'm in the United States, so it automatically added this US-EN, which is US English at the end, and sent me to the trading page right away. So depending where you are, it might send you somewhere different. And also this interface may change up a little bit as well, because there's different regulations for different countries. So Oanda cleverly changes things up on their website to adapt to whatever the laws and regulations may be in your country. Okay, so there should be a button up top that says start trading. Once we click that, it's going to take us to this apply page, which is them pretty much just trying to make sure that you are a US citizen or you're on one of their approved countries list, because there's a list of countries that they do not do business with because of laws and regulations. So it says it should take about 5 minutes to go through this form. But that's usually when you open up a live account. Okay. Do you live in the United States? Yes. And then it's going to ask you for all this information. Okay. It's going to ask you for email address. It's going to ask you for password. It's going to go ahead and just, get you to read through all of these agreements. I do like to click through some of these and make sure I understand what they all do. They're going to ask you for personal details, citizenship, home address, employment, trading experience, verify identity. Now, I'm not sure if you can skip through some of these steps, but I remember when I first set up my account with Oanda, you didn't have to do all this information up front to do a demo account. But if they've changed that, then you do have to go through that step, which is giving them a lot of this personal information. But any brokerage is going to ask you for this information. It's called Know Your Customer, KYC. So they're required by law to collect this kind of information from you for taxes and terrorism and money laundering, things like that. Okay. So once you go through that process, all right, you're going to be on a page that looks something like this. Okay. Now on this page is where you're going to see your different trades down here at the bottom of the screen. Okay. See, I got a bunch of demo trades just over here, just going. So after you got the demo trades down here at the bottom, you'll also have at the top some menu options. And this is what I want to focus on. So we got the manage funds. I'm going to open that up in a new tab, and then my account as well. Okay, we're going to open up both of those in new tabs. Let's start off with the manage funds first, matter of fact. Okay. Okay, it's going to ask me to sign in again. Okay, now once you're in, it's going to take you to this new interface, which is pretty much a real sleek way of depositing funds to your account. Remember, even if you have a demo account, you can still deposit money. You have to deposit money into your demo account, not real money. You're going to deposit money into a fake account, fake money into a fake account. So add new account, click continue. Okay. It's going to walk you through the process on how to create this new demo account to add money to. So here it goes. I've created a bunch of these. I hope they allow me to create more. We'll see. All right, cool. Took me to the main dashboard right here on account. So let me click add new account. Here we go. You've reached your 20 account limit. So I just test out all kind of strategies on here. And as you see, I've reached my limit. Okay. So when you create an account though, it's going to say account type V20 or V20 MT4. V20 just means you're going to be trading directly on like their platform or also integrating with TradingView. MT4 is usually if you want to trade directly on MetaTrader 4. I'm not sure if you know what that is yet, but it's another platform where you can trade from. I would just say stick to V20, okay, without the MT4 at the end. Later on, you may want to add the MT4, but you don't have to right now, okay? So once you create that, I'm gonna go back now to once you have your account created, then you can go ahead and go through the process of funding it. So I'm going to show you, it's going to be the same walkthrough process. You just want to go to deposit. Okay, you're going to choose the account that you want to add funds to. Remember, on the previous page, you created an account. I didn't because I don't have enough space. So I'll click primary, click continue, add virtual funds because this is a demo account. Okay. And then say how much I want to add. So if I say $10,000, click continue, deposit confirmed. Now it's going to go ahead and add those virtual funds to my demo account. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Once that's added, it's going to go up to like 15,000, 14,000 because, you know, I have 14,000 already. So it says deposit confirmed. It worked out. If I go back to my accounts page, I should be able to see that that primary account now does not just have $4,000 in it. It should be about 14,000. Okay. All right, let's see if we can find that account. Primary down here at the bottom. It's the last one. Here we go. Now it has 14,944. It says how much profit and loss it has as well. 50-to-1 leverage. This is the max leverage you can have in the United States of America. It's 50-to-1. That just pretty much means how much money the broker's matching you. So for every $1 you put in, think of it like that. They're putting like 50. So it allows you to buy more. Okay. It also allows you to lose more too. So you got to be careful. Got to learn more about leverage. Okay. So that's how you deposit. You can also do a withdrawal. Now, this is a demo account, so you're not going to be doing too much withdrawing from a demo account, right? But the process is pretty much the same account that you use to connect. So if you did deposit real funds, you connect it like a bank account. So you will be able to pretty much withdraw funds the same way. You will be able to withdraw funds back to that account, right? You'll be able to just put that amount in right there. Say I want to withdraw $1,000, continue. This is the process. You confirm, and then allow you to withdraw that back to your bank account. Okay. You can also transfer funds. Transfer just means moving money from one account to another account, right? One of your trading accounts to another one of your trading accounts. Okay. So you do have those options. All right. Okay, now let's also go ahead and remember we said we were going to check out that other section, which was called the My Account. Okay, so when you go over here to My Account, it's going to give you a lot more options. This is where we created that account at before. It shows you all your accounts, but I want to show you over here to the left, right? So you got the Manage Funds, of course, where you can deposit, withdraw, and transfer. You also got reports, where it can show you literally every single trade. I use this especially when I'm back testing and trying to see what went right, what went wrong, and why did my order get canceled sometime, or when was I taken out of a trade. So you can always use these reports over here. And then password management, notifications, external applications. You can collect a lot of different things to it. Okay. Anything else over here I want to share? We got the mobile app you could download. This could take you right here to the trading platform that we were already on. You know, that's the main screen here. That's what the web platform is. Desktop is like downloading a web version or an app version onto your computer like this. Okay. And then TradingView, right? We're going to talk about this in a second, where we're going to try to connect this to our TradingView account. Okay. We have tools up here at the top left. You'll learn more about this later on, but the one I use is the API. This is if you wanted to build your own bot, or if you wanted to connect a trading bot to your Oanda account. This is where you would click on API, and it will walk you through the process on how to get your API key. And then you'll be able to connect the bot to your Oanda account. Okay. So this is where it's at now. It used to be over here in the menu section, but it's now over here in API in the tool section. Okay. So if you click that, it should open up a new window. It shows you how to create. Right now it says revoke because I already created a personal key. It's also called a personal access token. I already created one, so I will have to revoke it to create another one. If you go here for the first time, yours is going to say create a key. It's going to create it for you, give you that. You need to take that long key. It's going to be a long number, and you're going to take that and save it somewhere safe. Okay. Talk more about that later on. Back to the hub. Let's go over here and click on TradingView. And what it does is it shows you how to go ahead and click and connect to TradingView. So I'm going to click that. Okay. Okay, it took me over here to the TradingView broker page. I'm gonna make it simple. I'm gonna just go to tradingview.com. Okay. And go up to, remember, products, super charts. So now once I'm on super charts, I should be able to go ahead and connect my broker. So I'm gonna go down here to paper trading. I'm going to click on paper trading here and go to see broker list. And I'm going to click on Oanda. And then we got live or demo. I want to connect to my demo and click connect. If you don't have one already, which you should, because you want to go through the process of creating your Oanda account first, but they do send a button right here to take you over there to create an account. But you should be good. Just go ahead and click connect. It's going to go through the process of connecting you with your Oanda account. Okay. Now, as you see, I have 20 different accounts over here. Click the one I want to trade. I'll just click primary. Okay. Scroll down to the bottom. They want you to agree to this information. So make sure you read that and then click allow or deny. Okay, now that that's loading, it's connecting and it's going to allow me to trade on my primary account. Okay, so boom, now I'm on Oanda. Okay, and now if I want to do a trade, it's going to trade on my Oanda demo account. Okay, it's going to trade on my Oanda demo account, not my other accounts, because remember, I do have several. I have the paper trading accounts as well. So I click trade, and now any trade I put in, it will, okay, say it's not tradable because this is Ethereum. Let me go over here and trade an actual Forex pair. So let's go to USD JPY. Okay. And you can also go over here to the top left, USD JPY as a Forex pair, and I can click on Oanda. Okay, there we go. Because it's connected to the Oanda broker. So that's what we definitely want. And now if I wanted to trade this pair, I could do a buy order, market, put in my take profit and my stop loss and click buy. Then all of that will show up right down here. So if I go ahead and click, let's just say buy, a new position was just created on USD JPY. And as you see, I'm currently in profit, -$6. Okay. And then if I go over to Oanda, I should be able to see that trade actually live over here as well. Let me find primary. Okay, go over to trades. And as you see right here, boom, USD JPY trade is open. Okay. Really simple. So that's how you do it. So that's how you create your Oanda account. Okay. After you create your Oanda account, you want to go ahead and create a sub account that allows you to actually deposit virtual funds. Once you deposit those virtual funds and you have your list of accounts here, you can have demo account 1, demo account 2, demo account 3. You want to go ahead to TradingView and connect it. All right. And remember, you do that by clicking down here on Oanda. Once you connect that, you'll be able to put in trades automatically. So you don't really have to go back over to Oanda.com unless you're doing deposits or withdrawals or something, or want to see other transaction data, things like that. But everything can be integrated right here within TradingView. Okay. Congratulations on setting up your TradingView and your Oanda account. Let's keep pushing through.